To Freshpet customers, quality means they're receiving the same delicious product every time, the same nutrition, the same smell, the same flavor, and the same excitement that it brings their pets for every meal.
From the beginning, we were competing with a lot of bigger brands and trying to break into that market and earn our customers' trust. They have to have consistent quality and certainly food safety, or they don't come back.
We provide our customers with high-grade, consistent food for their pets. Our customers love their pets, and they want to give them the best food that they can get. And that's what Freshpet is.
Access to real-time data helps our plant performance because we're a 24/7 operation and things move very, very quickly here. If we miss something, it could have a serious impact to our quality and food safety or missed opportunities for improved production. SafetyChain helps to bring together quality and production by making sure that we're all looking at the same data, that we know exactly what's going on, whether it be a product hold or a safety quality issue, and making sure that we take the right actions at the right times.
Our quality supervisors now can pull up, the last 24 hours data, and it saves them literally hours of time each day, both finding the pieces of paper that they needed to review and then reviewing every single entry to make sure things are in compliance. Now they have a really quick digital snapshot and they're able to quickly hone in on things that might have had a non-compliance and follow the trail of what was done to address that.
Basically, when something goes wrong on the floor, they get a notification right away, and they can access SafetyChain, know exactly what's happening, and be able to make it so that we can fight problems as they're happening, not react to them later.
The feature I use most is Link to check quality inspections, and it gives us real-time data, makes it easiest for us to spot inconsistencies.
It's just changed our response time significantly.
The biggest thing that's important to me is to make sure that everyone's looking at consistent, easily accessible, and easily understood information.
The data that I'm extracting from SafetyChain is all of the different numeric data that we get from all of our different checks, especially from our quality check sheet, which includes things like our weights, our temperatures, O2 checks. Once it's extracted, we can combine it with all of our other quality data to have all of the data they need in one place.
I value the fact that the team likes to use it. It's nice to have a tool that is not only helpful for the people reviewing the data on the back end, but it's so easy and they love to use it.
One thing that I'm able to do now with SafetyChain that I couldn't do before is see live time data. We can see the trends. It makes it easier to make changes right away. Things used to take a long time until you spotted something that was wrong, and then it's too late. Right now we can spot it right away, we can make changes, things are less impacted.
What I'm able to do on SafetyChain that I wasn't able to do on paper is not only easily edit forms, but also release new forms instead of going through the process of printing out forms, handing them out, making sure they get filled out on the production floor or get to the techs. I just put it on the tablet and it's there.
Freshpet uses SafetyChain from an enterprise perspective primarily because several of us are corporate resources. Like we're working on opportunities and challenges and new projects at both sites.
If I came to work tomorrow and SafetyChain didn't exist, I would have a bad day. Everything is digital now. We would have to go back to paper, which would make things 10 times harder. It would take 10 times longer to do everything.
It helps their day-to-day job to be easier and more effective. And I mean, in the end, that's exactly what we want because you'll get the best data.
If we don't have real-time data, if we don't have up-to-date information, there will be misses. It's a fresh product that we have, and if we're not acting quickly on these things, we don't have months of shelf life to play with. I mean, we gotta take action in days to make things happen and make them happen quick.